Target confirmed. It's drifting 2 clicks east. Roger. Adjusting course now. Wind's picking up. Watch the spray. Deploy the rib. Prep it for extraction.
Drones deployed. Initiating scan. Pattern Alpha. Map the hull. Structural integrity confirmed. Proceeding to compartments. Data uplink stable. Continuing survey.
Okay, moving in. The hull is massive. Look at these rivets. It's very old. I see an opening. Could be a cargo hold. This is incredible.
Approach vector confirmed. Extending to target. Contact established. Sediment displacement minimal. Nameplate is clear. Retracting arm now.
All right, let's get this section painted before the light fades.
Copy that. I'm checking the harnesses now.
All secure here, ready to move up. Operator, take us up to the next level.
Pull steady now.
Aye, steady on.
Watch the line. Heave together.
All right, deploying now. Copy, controls engaged. Watch the line. Steady, steady. Contact, retract slow. Retracting. Look at the size of that thing.
The water's just pouring off it.
That's a lot of power. Incredible engineering.
It's awe-inspiring.
Crane team, prepare to hoist.
Hull team ready. Watching the port side. Copy that. Initiating lift.
Steady now, watch the cables. Clear on starboard, keep it level. Careful, the current is strong here. I see something up ahead through that opening. Wait, hold on, what's that shadow? It moved, keep your light on it.
That's it. Keep the pressure steady.
Copy that, move into the lower section.
Good progress. Check for any missed spots. On it. Almost done here.
Platform clear, ready to ascend. Clear, commencing ascent. Copy that, proceed. Application complete, descending. Acknowledged. Pressure's holding steady. Good. Keep the overlap tight.
Copy that.
How's it looking from up there? Looks even. Carry on. All right, crane is clear, ready to hoist.
Copy that. Hoist away.
Steady, watching the alignment.
Looks good. Holding at this height.
All right, team, listen up. Visibility is low, stay sharp.
Understood. We'll check the port side.
Good. Report any anomalies immediately.
Yes, sir.
Let's move.
Go.
All right, keep it steady. Watch your spacing.
Copy that. Rollers are tracking straight.
Good pace. Let's get this section done before the break.
Understood. Almost there. All right, team, lift on 3.
Copy that. Engaging hoist.
Steady now. Keep those lines tight.
Got it. Pulling steady.
Loads clear. Holding position. Course steady at 270, speed 18 knots.
Confirmed. Weather radar clear ahead.
Engine telemetry optimal. No anomalies. Visual horizon clear. No contacts. Acknowledged. Maintaining watch.
Copy that.
Wow, look at that coordination.
They're waving back at us.
This is amazing.
The whole deck is active.
What a view of the ocean.
Incredible.
Wow, look at that one.
Incredible.
Here comes another big one. This is the best display yet.